The AIO media can only be installed when the usual AVCS S63 1.1 data has been previously installed. After having previously installed the permit for the AIO cell GB800001, the AIO media now needs to be installed. Start by inserting the latest AIO CD into the appropriate drive. From within the Telko chart loader, select the Load Charts tab. Double-click on the appropriate drive, for instance the CD/DVD drive. Now click Load Charts. A progress bar will be displayed as the data is imported. A Completed Successfully message will appear when the AIO has finished installing. Click Return to finish.